The Honda CD110 Dream 2025 is a testament to Honda's commitment to delivering affordable, reliable, and fuel-efficient motorcycles. Designed with the needs of everyday commuters in mind, this motorcycle offers a perfect blend of performance, style, and practicality. Its sleek and modern design enhances its visual appeal, making it stand out in the crowded commuter segment. At the heart of the CD110 Dream 2025 lies a refined and fuel-efficient engine. The 109.5cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine is equipped with Honda's enhanced Smart Power ESP technology, ensuring optimal performance while keeping fuel consumption low. With its smooth power delivery and impressive torque, this engine provides an effortless riding experience, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on open roads. The advanced fuel injection system further boosts efficiency and ensures reduced emissions, making it compliant with the latest environmental norms. The lightweight diamond frame of the CD110 Dream 2025 contributes to its agility and ease of handling. This makes it an ideal choice for urban commuters who require a motorcycle that can effortlessly maneuver through tight spaces and busy streets. The telescopic front suspension and dual hydraulic rear shock absorbers ensure a comfortable ride, even on uneven or bumpy roads. The combination of a long, well-padded seat and upright riding posture adds to the overall comfort, allowing riders to cover long distances without fatigue. Honda has also focused on enhancing the safety and convenience features of the CD110 Dream 2025. The motorcycle comes equipped with a Combi brake system, CBS, which ensures effective and balanced braking, significantly reducing stopping distances. The robust tubeless tires provide better grip and minimize the risk of sudden deflation. Additionally, the bike features an engine start/stop switch, an eco indicator, and a maintenance-free battery, all of which contribute to its user-friendly nature. The design of the CD110 Dream 2025 is both functional and stylish. Its sharp body graphics, chrome-finished exhaust, and premium paint job give it a contemporary look, while practical elements like the durable grab rail and ample underseat storage add to its utility. The bright halogen headlamp ensures excellent visibility during night rides, while the analog digital instrument cluster offers essential information at a glance. Overall, the Honda CD110 Dream 2025 is a reliable and value-packed motorcycle designed to meet the demands of modern commuting. With its blend of efficiency, durability, and style, it caters perfectly to riders looking for an economical yet feature-rich option in the commuter motorcycle segment.